Alrighty, guys, we're gonna quickly walk through adding a new post to the reading room. So we're going to assume that you're already logged in, that you started in the dashboard. Now, the reading room posts, I've been sharing those rather than doing a blog post. I've actually been putting those in as product categories, or excuse me, project categories. They've been giving us just a little bit more freedom to display and create multiple things. So here I've got project categories. We're going to check everything within reading room, and then one of the three subcategories: case studies, critical topics, or technical guides. If you go into the portfolio, you'll see that I've added a bunch of just random placeholders. Mainly, I just wanted to have a few posts within each category. And so you're more than welcome to trash any of these or edit these directly from here. But let me show you an easier way. If you go ahead and go to the reading room, you're going to see all of our cover images of our posts here. What I've done is I've created a sample project here called Elements All. And if you click on this, I've essentially created little, what we have is we have this is a row, and then we've got columns, within each one. So I've created a series of installable blocks here. This is called page header curved. So you can add this to any page. This, I believe, is the homepage title left, image right. These are your 3 column sections of text. This is the knowledge and experience call out. This is our team member section. These are also known as fancy boxes. So basically there's a background image, a text area, and then on this one we've been putting a link at the end, but these are easily editable. And this is a 4 column section, a little bit smaller, but kind of the same premise here. They're a fancy box option. This one here is called, what do we call this one? Homepage, I believe, carousel or something like that. So what this allows you to do, it's got a static text here that we create. And then each one of these sections is a tabbed column. So you'll be able to go in and name this. Use your title here, a subtitle up top. You can delete any of those sections, but that's a usable one. Here's your toggles, your FAQ toggles. These you'll easily be able to edit the title and then the text block below. This is the reports fancy box, small 3 column call out. You can add that to the footer of a page that quickly allows links to other areas. And again, these are just a few different text layouts where we've got, a bigger title, text to the right, centered title, subtext, column text, and these are just your basics here. This one is the tabbed 3 column section. Very easy to edit. We've got a video section. This is a single video. And then we've got the 3 video section. Super easy. All you're going to do is hop in there and edit and copy and paste in a YouTube URL. All right, so that one has got all the elements. So if we go into any other reading room page, you can just grab one here. Flowing Farms. Okay. So we're going to delete all this stuff by going to Edit Portfolio Item. I'm going to delete each one of these rows. So now we have a blank canvas, so to speak. And maybe we're going to change this from Flowing Farms to Riverview Farms. And we're going to want to select this and change the permalink and hit OK. Now, if I go into the My Templates section, these are templates that I've created that match our theme. We've got the home page, we've got the carousel color boxes, the FAQ toggles, so you can add these elements one by one. There's also all elements template. So if we click this, it'll take a second. All right, so now update that. That essentially has everything that we put in the all elements page, which obviously is way too much. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to keep the page title. Let's go ahead and remove that welcome text. We're going to get rid of that 6 columns. We don't want the call out. We don't need the team. Don't need the fancy boxes. I'm not going to use the carousel. Maybe we've got an FAQ section. Let's go ahead and keep that. Let's use our centered text. So I'm going to grab that. And you can drag these rows and put them where you need. So this is going to go right underneath the header. Going to delete that section. Now we've got our toggles. We're not going to use that. There's the big video. So maybe we just have one video on this post. All right. I'm going to click Reading Room, choose its category. This is the featured image that shows up behind our title in the sortable area. To change that, you can hit remove or just click on it. Change a photo. Now we're able to update that post. So now it's going to be Riverview Farms. There's our case study. Laid out our text. All right, so that's